This will be a how-to video on how to add a cell phone to VersaCall system so that you can send them text messages for alerts and things that are happening in communications. First thing you do, get this VT3000 welcome page. You're going to be selecting the core software. So once selected your outputs over here on this menu, or you can navigate using the icons here. Configuration, select output. So you're going to come to this page here. So for our purposes right now, we're looking for a cell phone. So we're going to select that from our add new column. You're going to get an interface that looks like this. Basically, want to give it a name. That's what's going to appear on that list. So condo cell. Enter in their phone number. So bin 555, something to that effect. Basically, you have to provide the provider of the cell phone service. So we have main ones in here. If it's a custom one, it's one that you would have to look up. We can help you with that for your reach out. For this one, I'm going to set this up as, say, an AT&T line. Here's where I'm going to select when do I want to send messages to this cell phone for this person. So availability, not available, that would be if they're on vacation. You can select that and it's not going to send any notifications to them anytime. Always. So this is going to send communications 24/7 every day of the week. It's not going to stop until that alarm is acknowledged during a specific shift. So if he only works first shift, we would just select that. He's only going to get text messages in that time frame of first shift for this specific schedule. So you can select the schedule that once you have that filled out, you can do a save and add new, which would allow you to add another cell phone to the system, or you can just hit save and exit, and that will save that phone. See, that shows up here in your list. That'll show up over here as you have a total of 1. I'll conclude this how-to on adding a cell phone number. Look forward to talking to you again.